How to turn on vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and now. From the left side toolbar, you will see the option for Marketplace. Tap on that. Now, tap on the settings option you see there beside the marketplace option and you will see the option for manage vacation mode. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for vacation mode. And with this, vacation mode will be enabled. You can also type a custom message for your customers. And once done, tap on the done option and with this, vacation mode will be enabled. So this is how you can turn on vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.